If you're wondering how to make money from home as a student, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the secret sauce to how you actually take the skills that you already have as a student and transfer them into working for yourself online. So stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to be revealing it all. If you haven't met me, my name's Abby Ashley. I am the founder of The Virtual Savvy. We teach you how to work from home as your own boss, and some of our students have had amazing results building 6- and 7-figure online empires from home in their pajamas. Is that something that you're interested in? Stay tuned, because I'm gonna be sharing with you the secrets of how you can start your own at-home virtual assistant business so you can work from home as a student. So if you're wondering how to work from home as a student and make real money, I'm talking $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month working for yourself in your pajamas at home, this is the right video for you. And you don't have to even learn any advanced specialized skills in order to do so. The secret? Virtual assistants. Becoming a virtual assistant is one of the best ways to make money quickly online. If you think about other ways to make money online, you might think about Instagram influencers or becoming, a famous YouTube star, right? And those things, while they definitely have the ability to make you good money, it's not actually the best way to make quick money online. So here's why. If you think about those business models, let's say an Instagram influencer, you are having to actually build up a huge audience to really make any good kind of money, right? You need tens of thousands of followers, hundreds of thousands of followers, and that's when brands start noticing you, start doing sponsorship deals. That's where you can do, sponsored ads on your page, and it is a way to make money, but it takes time to grow an audience that size. The same with YouTube. I've been doing YouTube for years now, and I have about 50,000 subscribers, which makes decent ad income, but really it's not the best way to make money, and it's taken a long time to get to that point. Lots of consistency and lots of work. Now, let's look at virtual assistants. Virtual assistants, you can make $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month with just 4 to 7 clients. So that means you don't need hundreds of people to say yes. You don't need thousands of people to follow you on social media. You just need 4 people, 4 yeses, 4 people to say, yes, you can help me with admin tasks for my small business. So that leads us into what is a virtual assistant. If this is such an amazing work from home opportunity for students, what are you actually doing as a virtual assistant? Well, a virtual assistant is any kind of remote assistant that provides administrative, technical support services for online business owners. Here's the thing, guys. Online business owners, especially those who are, up there in years, don't necessarily know how to do the things that come so naturally to you. Things like posting on social media, making simple graphics using a tool called Canva, which if you haven't discovered Canva yet, guys, it's amazing. Go to canva.com, it's free, check it out. You can do simple social media graphics, things that might come really, really easily for you. For other small business owners that have maybe not as technologically savvy, you can come in and provide things like this. Blogging, right? Are you a good writer? Have you been able to write well? If you do well in English, this is a really good idea to transfer those services and actually write blog posts for small business owners. In the same way, customer service emails, if you can just be friendly, maybe you've worked at Starbucks or you've worked at Subway and you've had to just deal with difficult customers or just learned customer service in general, answering customer service emails for small business owners is an amazing way to actually make money online as a virtual assistant. These are all skills that you can use as a VA. What about research, right? If you've ever planned a trip, if you've ever, helped your family plan travel, then this is a great transferable skills. There are actually people who will pay you to research for them. So if you're good at Google, you can become a virtual assistant. These are all skills that you can use as a VA. So do you have these services? If so, let me know in the comments. Yes, I think I could actually do this. This sounds like a good way for me to make money working from home as a student. Now, the next question I get is, how do I actually make money though, right? Like, how does this actually work? So once you decide that you are a virtual assistant, you need to decide on your hourly rate. Now, most virtual assistants offering general admin start anywhere from $20 to $35 an hour. So let's just say you start out offering your services at $30 an hour. Well, what you would do is you would actually create packages for these small business owners to purchase from you. So you go to a small business owner and say, hey, I have 3 different packages. I could work for your business for 10, 20, or 40 hours per month, right? So let's say they choose your middle package, which, spoiler alert, most clients are actually going to choose your center package, which is why it's such an incredible idea to have 3 packages, knowing that that center one is really the sweet spot. So let's say a client says, yes, I want to hire you to work for my business for 40 hours per month. That's about 10 hours per week. Awesome. Nights, weekends, in between classes, you're able to do this work, not actually having to go out and, work at the cafeteria or whatever like your friends. You're literally working at home in your dorm or in your pajamas in your own bedroom doing these types of services for these clients, because the work that we're talking about here, social media, doing blogging, all of that, it can be done at 2 o'clock in the morning, which is so awesome as well. So whenever you are providing these services, you say, okay, here's what I'm going to do. $30 an hour times that 40 hours per month that I'm going to be working for your business is $1,200 a month. Okay. So what you'll do is you will bill them $1,200 on a reoccurring basis. And there's tons of tools you can use to do this. You can use Honeybook, you can use Dubsado. These are really awesome tools to not only help you with client management, but also help you with that reoccurring invoice. So $1,200 a month, I will bill you on the first of every month. It's monthly reoccurring. And then you have this allotment of 40 hours. It's about 10 hours a week that I will do these services for you. I recommend using a time tracker. Again, Dubsado, Honeybook, they both have time trackers. There's also independent time trackers like Toggle that you can use in order to actually track your time. And you just report that on a weekly basis. Hey, this week I worked 10 hours for you. This week I only worked 8. So let's try to do 12 next week, right? And you really want to just stay in active communication with this small business owner client who has hired you. And again, you're just taking tasks off their plate. One of the things that I recommend doing is every single Friday doing a Friday catch-up email. So at the end of the day on Friday, you say, hey, here are the hours I worked for you. Here's a report. That's one of the things I love about Toggle is they have these really cool reports that you can do for free to send to your clients. Here's an outline of the work that I did. Here are the deliverables. By the way, here's what I'm planning on doing next week. Again, here's where you're at in hours. Really communicating is key. And that's how you're working with clients as a virtual assistant. Now comes the question, where do you actually find these clients? And so there are so many ways, you guys, so many ways to find clients. I've done a couple videos on them. There's one there, there's one there. I also actually have a free 90-minute training. So if you're wanting to know how do I become a booked out virtual assistant, where are the best 3 places for finding paying clients from my business, go ahead and go to thevirtualsavvy.com/BBO. This video teaches you my advanced personal outreach template method. It teaches you how to use local networking events to find clients, and it's also going to teach you how to find clients on Facebook. So yes, if you don't already have a Facebook account, I know it's old school, but you have to do it because it's one of the best places to find clients. And so you can use it just for business if you want to, but it really is a really amazing resource, and we teach those methods inside of this free training, so make sure you check it out. All right, guys, I want to know from you, what other questions do you have about becoming a virtual assistant? Virtual assistance has not only changed my life, it not only replaced my income, it replaced my husband's income as well. We now run a 7-figure business, literally just teaching people how to do this thing that has absolutely changed our life. So if you have questions about virtual assistants, guys, we respond to these comments. So go ahead, drop your question below. I want to be able to answer them for you. As well, explore this channel. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to it. We talk about virtual assistants all the time, and we're sharing with you these tips and tricks that are literally going to have the potential to change your life. How can you make money working from home as a student? Virtual assistants is the answer. Very last thing, if you haven't already joined our virtual assistant community, you can check out the link below. We have over 100,000 virtual assistants in this group. It is free to join, and there are jobs being posted every day inside of this community, so you definitely want to be a part of it. All right, that's it. That's all I have for you. If you don't know already, here at the Virtual Savvy, we like to beatbox it out, so let's do it. Woo! All right, see you next time, guys.